All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to a round of coffee and questions. Today's topic is how to make this chili mac and cheese dish. Now, I'm going to use an Instapot, and I'm going to switch over. I'm going to show you the recipe here in a second. It's not hard to do. It makes a fantastic meal, and I'll show you how I tweaked mine. We've made it now twice, and I'm making it again tonight. This is just a fantastic meal all in one, and it's quick, easy to do, and it feeds a lot of people. So here we go. Okay, so this is the recipe and these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Now, if you wanted, you can use half lean beef. I use 90% lean, and if you want to add a little bit of a kick to it, use half of the recipe as Italian sausage, or you can use both, more, less, whatever you want to do. This is my twist to the recipe, along with, besides the cheese here that I'm talking about. When it's done, you can float a little bit more on the dish when you serve it, if that's what you want to do. It's great to have with bread, salad, anything like that. All right, here are the steps. All right, so you go ahead and you saute the ground beef, like I said, the sausage, whatever, throw it in the Instapot, add all the rest of the ingredients to it, set the high pressure setting for 4 minutes, let it go off, use the quick release, bam, you're done. It makes a fantastic meal. All right, that's all I got. I know it's real short, but I'm going to keep uploading all my favorite recipes that I come across and create my own recipe folder here. And I hope you folks try it, and I hope you enjoy it. You know something better, drop in the comment below. Otherwise, I hope you click subscribe, keep following me. I'll see you again soon. Thank you, folks. Bye-bye.